In today's Life at UCR video, we will be highlighting another campus resource, the UCR Career Center. The Career Center is a welcoming place to explore career paths and identify the steps needed to achieve your dream career. At the Career Center, you are able to meet with skilled career counselors, use unique job search tools, and maximize your future with their career services. The Career Center is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Wednesdays. It is located across the MSC building and is right in front of the University Lecture Hall. The UCR Career Center can help you build your resume, plan for life after college, and allow you to meet and talk to representatives from top companies. The Career Center offers more than 70 career fairs, workshops, information sessions, and networking events for students every quarter. That's more than 200 events on campus each year. Career and job fairs are held throughout the academic year, some with targeted audiences such as engineering, teaching, accounting, and graduate and professional schools. So get to know your Career Center. A little time will reward your effort with the years of satisfaction on the career front. For more information, visit careers.ucr.edu.